Oh, I get this really nice acrylic business card holders. There's two of them right here. They're the same. I got a business card in one of these. These hold a total of 60 to 80 cards total. So even though I just got one in here, they hold 60 to 80. This is really gonna make your business cards pop as they just sit. They just sit right here, like if you got like a reception desk or just a desk that you want to put these on. This is a great value for, I mean, for the value. It's just like this is amazing. So they look really nice and shiny vibe, acrylic vibe, nice little vibe right here that where the cards are, they stay put in, and just very sturdy, looks nice. Going to be a great spot to hold your business cards and just really make them pop for people as they sit on your desk. Everyone's going to want to take one. They're going to remember you. Highly recommend these.